Want to start earning online in just 3 months without spending a single dime? Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you've been searching for ways to make money online but feel stuck because of the initial investment, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share 4 powerful business ideas that require absolutely zero upfront money. Yes, you heard that right. Start from scratch, and you could be making money within just 3 months. So, let's jump into the first idea, starting a newsletter business. Take Pete, for example. He didn't just dream about going big, he actually made it happen by launching his newsletter. Pete sends out detailed emails once or twice a week covering various topics, like how to build, grow, and monetize a job board. Guess what? Pete's simple email newsletter earns him $600 to $700 a month. I'll show you exactly how it works in just a bit. Next up is failure.com. This free newsletter dives into why 90% of startups fail and what you can learn to avoid their mistakes. Twice a week, it delivers business failure stories directly to your inbox. And despite being free to subscribe to, it pulls in a whopping $20,000 per year. The third example is Hey UK, a UK-focused newsletter that offers weekly money-saving tips. From the best interest rates to killer Amazon deals, this newsletter delivers value straight to subscribers' inboxes and earns its owner between $700 and $800 per edition. Now let's talk about how newsletters make money. There are 2 popular models. Ad-supported newsletters. Similar to how TV programs and websites make money from ads, newsletters can do the same. Your newsletter is free for subscribers, but it includes ads. When someone sees or clicks on those ads, you earn money. Premium newsletters. Some newsletters charge subscribers for exclusive content, ranging from $600 to $1,200 a year. These are usually industry-specific and attract professionals who need high-quality insights. For most beginners, I recommend starting with a free newsletter and gradually introducing ads to monetize it. Platforms like Beehive allow you to set up a newsletter with no cost, and tools like MailChimp even offer free trials, giving you 30, 60, or even 90 days to get your newsletter off the ground. Within that time, you can easily write 10 to 20 editions and start generating income. Second idea, just 8 weeks with zero investment. Let me introduce you to the world of running a one-person Facebook ad agency. I'm breaking down a step-by-step, 8-week plan that, if followed correctly, can help you start making money by managing Facebook ads for businesses. The best part? You don't need any initial investment, just your time and dedication. Let's get started. Week 1. Master Facebook marketing. Your first job is to become really good at Facebook, or Meta, marketing. So what exactly is Facebook marketing? It's learning how to run ads on both Facebook and Instagram, understanding different targeting strategies like advanced targeting, retargeting, and no-cap targeting. Don't worry, it sounds more complicated than it is. There's a ton of free resources out there. I recommend checking out free YouTube tutorials on Facebook and Instagram marketing. There's even a meta marketing course that's free and will get you 99% of the way there. In 1 week, you'll have a solid understanding of the basics and advanced techniques. Week 2. Learn basic video editing. In week 2, your focus will shift to video editing. You don't need to master fancy software like Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro. Even something simple like CapCut, which you can use on your phone, will do the trick. By the end of this week, you'll be able to edit videos with clean cuts, good framing, and maybe even some basic animations. You don't need to be a pro, just get comfortable enough to create engaging content. Week 3. Create 10 informative videos. Now it's time to put your video editing skills to work. In week 3, you'll record 10 short videos on your phone where you share what you've learned about Facebook ads. Here are some ideas for your videos. Why Facebook ads work for businesses. Common mistakes businesses make with Facebook ads. The best times to run ads in your region. What types of Facebook ads perform well in different industries. Once you've recorded these videos, use your video editing skills from week 2 to polish them up. Now here's the fun part. Run a video view ad campaign using your newly acquired Facebook ad knowledge. This will help boost visibility and start driving engagement on your content. Week 4. Engage with leads. By week 4, you should start seeing comments, messages, and questions from people interested in your content. Your job now is to convert this engagement into leads. Don't just chat back and forth. Set up video calls via Zoom or Google Meet with these potential clients. The goal here is to give them free advice on how they can improve their Facebook ads. No selling, no pressure. just genuinely help them. Week 5. Close your first deal. This week is crucial. You'll want to pitch your services, but here's the catch. Don't ask for any money up front. Instead, offer a no-risk deal. Tell them, I'll run your Facebook ads for 1 month, and all you need to do is pay the ad budget. If you're happy with the results after 1 month, we'll discuss further terms. This way, the client doesn't feel any pressure, and you get a chance to prove your skills. Your goal this week is to close at least 1 deal using this approach. Week 6. Deliver and satisfy your client. Once you've secured that first client, your only focus is on delivering results. Forget about looking for new clients for now. Your entire goal should be to make this client so happy that they'll want to refer you to others. Get great results, stay communicative, and build a strong relationship. Week 7 and 8. Scale up. If you followed the plan correctly, by the end of week 6, you'll already have some income coming in from your first client. Now, it's time to build on that momentum. Keep working with your client, but start looking for more leads and refining your processes. With every new client, you'll improve your skills and grow your business. So there you have it. By following this 8-week roadmap, you can launch a 1-person Facebook ad agency with no investment and start making real money within 2 months. You don't need fancy tools, just the knowledge, determination, and time to make it work. Start today, and who knows, 8 weeks from now, you could be running your own successful Facebook ad agency. Third idea, tap into the world of influence without becoming an influencer yourself. Let me introduce you to a unique business model, turning successful founders into influencers. Everyone these days wants to be an influencer, sharing their ideas, building a personal brand, and gaining recognition. But what about those seasoned business founders who don't have the time to build their own online presence? That's where you come in. The concept, founder influencers. Many successful entrepreneurs, factory owners, or industry leaders have a wealth of knowledge from decades of experience, but they don't have the time or energy to become a YouTuber, post on LinkedIn daily, or manage a social media presence. These founders often crave recognition and respect, something we see in Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Once people achieve financial success, they naturally seek appreciation and recognition from the world. You can help them achieve that recognition by becoming their personal content manager. Your pitch to these business leaders is simple. You have years of wisdom to share with the world. Let me help you spread that knowledge without you having to lift a finger. How it works. You'll offer to work with them 1 day a week to create content tailored to their comfort level. Some might prefer video, while others may be more comfortable with written content. Here's how you pitch it. Step 1. Offer content creation based on their comfort zone. Say to them, you've been running a successful business for decades. Imagine how many people could benefit from your knowledge. What do you feel more comfortable with, speaking on camera or writing? Don't worry, I'll handle everything else. Whether they choose video or written content, you'll help them share their stories, experiences, and advice. If they're comfortable with video, you'll bring the camera, record their insights, and transform them into YouTube videos, LinkedIn posts, or short-form content like Instagram Reels or TikToks. If they prefer writing, you'll interview them, craft insightful blog posts, or ghostwrite LinkedIn articles from their perspective. Step 2. Highlight the benefits. You'll need to convince them of the value. Tell them that by building a personal brand online, they'll increase their industry visibility, which can lead to more opportunities, whether it's expanding their business, getting speaking engagements, or even improving their public perception. Visibility is everything in business today, you'll say. As you grow your online presence, you'll position yourself as an industry authority, making it easier to capture the attention of potential partners, clients, and even the media. Step 3. Offer a no-risk deal. You'll manage everything for them: content creation, editing, and posting. The beauty of this plan is that it doesn't cost them any upfront money. If their LinkedIn posts go viral, or if a YouTube video generates ad revenue, you can agree on a percentage of that income. But even without direct income, the opportunities that come from this increased visibility will more than pay off. Why this works. The founders you're targeting may not care much about making a quick buck from content. Their real payoff comes from building a legacy, being recognized as thought leaders, and leveraging that visibility to create new business opportunities. When they see other industry leaders or younger influencers sharing random knowledge, they'll understand the value in sharing their years of hard-earned wisdom. You'll be there to make that happen for them, while they focus on running their businesses. Your income. So how do you earn? You might ask. What's in it for me? While the founder's increased visibility won't directly put money in your pocket immediately, it opens doors to high-level networking, partnerships, and referrals. Plus, if their content goes viral or gains traction, you can negotiate taking a percentage of ad revenue or impressions-based income from platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, or YouTube. But the real advantage? You're creating powerful relationships with industry giants. These connections will create opportunities for you to gain more clients or even pivot into other consulting roles. The proximity to power will eventually lead to direct income as they refer you to others in their network. Final thoughts. This is a long-term game. You're not just helping someone post on social media, you're shaping the personal brand of influential business leaders. In return, you build your own brand as a trusted expert in personal content management, opening doors to higher-level opportunities. This idea taps into the psychology of achievement and leverages the business world's hunger for visibility. So, don't miss out. This could be your path to success while helping others tell their stories. Fourth idea. Think starting a YouTube channel is old news? Think again. I know you've probably heard it 1,000 times. Start a YouTube channel. And you might be thinking, really? Another YouTube channel? But trust me, this is still one of the best opportunities to make a mark online. And today, I'm going to show you why. Let me give you a real-world example. Meet Mr. Andrew, a YouTuber with just 90.2K subscribers and 18 videos only. Now, that's not a massive following, right? But here's the catch. He's not a celebrity or a popular figure. His content is mostly about lifestyle blogging and random topics. Yet if I take you into his analytics, you'll see something interesting. In the last 28 days, his channel made $61 to $976. Now that might not sound like much, but think about it. This is a small, relatively new channel with only a few videos, run by someone who wasn't already famous. Earning that much in a short period of time sends a clear signal. We all know that YouTube is growing, but this just reaffirms it. In the next 10 years, your region is predicted to become one of the world's largest consumer markets. This means more people are going to be on YouTube, and more companies, both local and international, are going to want to advertise to these consumers. You've probably noticed a shift already. Remember a few years ago when you'd see the same type of ads over and over? Now, you can barely watch a video without encountering multiple ads, before, during, and even near the end. This isn't random. Companies are targeting your market because they know it's growing, and YouTube is the perfect platform to reach people. The best part? YouTube shares 45% of its ad revenue with creators. So, as companies invest more in advertising, you as a YouTuber will see your earnings grow. Unlike platforms like Facebook, which I honestly believe is on the decline, YouTube has staying power. Over the next 10 to 20 years, YouTube will remain one of the most significant platforms globally. Facebook, not so much. Instagram may survive, but YouTube is where the real opportunity lies. Now, when starting a YouTube channel, you might wonder, what kind of content should I create? My personal preference? Long-form videos. You know, the 10, 20, 30, even 40-minute videos. Sure, these might get fewer views, but the connection you build with your audience is so much deeper. Someone watching your content for 30 minutes is far more engaged than someone scrolling through a 30-second short. And with that kind of connection, you can eventually build a real business with your audience. So, while starting a YouTube channel might seem basic, it's important to realize the bigger picture. This platform is still evolving, and now is the perfect time to get in. These were 4 business ideas, or better yet, categories, that I believe are perfect for students or anyone with a bit of extra time. Sure, they're time-intensive, but they won't require much money to start. And if you're willing to invest your time, the potential for success is huge. I will talk to everyone in one of the next videos.